Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 7th of March 2024. Just to let you know, this will be the last Market Alert for this week, and I will resume on Tuesday of next week as I'm going to be travelling for the next few days. So just so that you know. Right, let's have a look at yesterday, and as we see, we had a bad day to sparks buy all things despite hawkish Powell as the dollar puked. And then we've got US stocks and bonds gained a softer employment data. That's the ADP news, while Powell reiterated message of testimony to Congress that he's not going to reduce rates until inflation is substantially below 2%, which you can see there. So economic news today, we've got the interest rates for the Eurozone, monetary policy statement, unemployment claims from the US. That's a weekly one. Lagarde's going to be speaking, and then Powell is also going to do his second day of testimony, which we could expect more of the same thing then. Right, let's have a look at the markets, see where they traded during yesterday, and kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, market down once more, trying to pull back overnight there. You can see a bit of a move there, just above the low of yesterday. There's the low of yesterday in the 30-minute charts. And you can see prices coming off this before the close, but overnight trading down to yesterday's new low and managing to get above the close at the moment. Got the DP, and you need some serious buying in here to move the market to the upside. German DAX has been sideways all week so far, as can be seen by the red bars. A bit of buying coming in yesterday though, demand. Market above yesterday's low on the overnight so far, but a choppy session, which again is indicative of the sort of demand bar that you see in the daily charts. Sideways overnight market coming down, but not trading below yesterday's low. Market just below the close in the DP. It will need to reverse above these to have any impact on yesterday's high or get anywhere near it. In the S&P 500, also sideways as well after the recent rally to the upside, waiting for news. Again, demand shown in the daily chart. So I suspect that this one will be sideways as well, which it was at the top. And that's a response to the ADP numbers. Market marked down, then brought back with Powell. And then as Powell, the longer he spoke, the worse it got for the market as he reinforced that he's not going to reduce rates. So remaining hawkish, and you can see there overnight, so we need the market to close above the close in the DP. The low is a stone's throw away as well for this market. In the FT100, prices remain sideways in this one too, probably waiting for the CPI number so that Powell can decide what he's going to do with rates. Yesterday was the budget day. It's always on a Wednesday, which I should have thought of yesterday. And market responding positively and then not so. Overnight, I think the reality is kicked in with what Hunter's proposed. And we see the market gap lower. Prices trying to move higher, but being stopped by the DP and the 200 MA there. So the US dollar on the skids yesterday in response to Powell saying that he's not going to increase rates anytime soon, and a bit more weakness overnight as well, which supported the gold market and the silver. So let's have a look at those. So in silver, allowed to move up to the 89% retracement down on the overnight market so far. You can see this happening, just coming down already to the DP. Nice move to the upside though on comments from Powell. Meanwhile in gold, as you can see, we've made a new all-time high, and actually for the last few days I've been looking at the wrong charts. I was looking at the monthly silver. So yes, we have got all-time highs in the MT4 platform, so apologies for that. It was a bit of a mystery to me, but now makes a perfect sense when you actually look at the monthly chart for gold. Daily chart, again, nice move to the upside, nice break. It'd be nice if this would keep moving and allow the silver market to explode too. 30-minute chart of gold moving in response to Powell, and if he does reduce rates, that will be a catalyst for the metal prices to move higher as well. So he'll try and not do that anytime soon, so they can continue to accumulate gold at discounted prices for all of the central banks that are doing so at the moment. Quick look at the gold-silver ratio, and again you can see this moving back up. It's sideways at the moment, but it will break out to the upside once we get through Powell's testimony and head into next week, and also depending on what the NFP numbers are during tomorrow's trading session as well. A quick look at yesterday's trades. So yesterday morning the market a bit lackluster, moving to the downside. Market opened, put in a sell. But immediately we can see them buying back in here because we've got a green in this red bar and then a full green bar. So prices brought back immediately, stopping out the short side and then moving to the upside. And I got out of this one too soon as the market came back, because it then continued to move to the upside a bit more there. And that would have helped, because once again we see the market go down and then we've got green inside of the red bar. And that, of course, you can see, and we've got the 200 MA there, 50 EMA. So that's a great support area for the market. Prices then reverse and move back to the upside and remain on the upside until we get past 10 a.m. and then the market starts to trend a bit. So we've still got this issue at the moment where the first couple of hours the market tends to be sideways. Certainly after the open, we get the ADP numbers then released at 1:30. Sorry, it's 1:15 for the ADP. Then some other news. Market then moving to the upside. Then the Dow opens, and the other vertical pink line there is Powell's testimony. And then you'll see we had a potential buy signal, but the market failed to fill it, closing below the 200 MA, but then consolidating. Powell then gets on a roll talking about not reducing interest rates or cutting rates, and the market didn't like that, and that's how it continued for the session, and managing to come back a bit as the market said, well, hey ho, bad news is good news, and let's just bring the market back. So a quick look at the 2-minute chart overnight. At the moment we're struggling a bit at the BRN, the 50 EMA, and just gone through the 200 MA there in the 2-minute chart. So a bit of weakness around at the moment for this market. We're not that far off the low, down there at 17,006. Is it 667? Yep. So watch this area. Also market obviously trying to find a bit of support there as well. Need to break that in order to move lower. Okay, that's it for this one, and then until Tuesday of next week. So have a great weekend. Don't forget about the non-farm payrolls on Friday as well. Don't be in the market at 1:30, as they say, until that news is out. Okay, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.